Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 inches best kitchen scale for baking is Ascali Primo P115C kitchen scale. Ascali's innovations in quality, accuracy, value and style are shaping the future of measuring technology in home and business settings. Ascali offers a full line of kitchen scales, body scales, timers and thermometers. Synthesizing contemporary design with unmatched accuracy, Ascali products are sold around the globe and provide information in a choice of standard or metric formats. Ascali products are widely recognized for precision measurement, useful features, smart styling and exceptional value. Ascali's distinguished product development and technical team located in Minneapolis, Minnesota combines years of category experience with unparalleled commitment to new product innovation. The Ascali Primo digital scales are multifunctional and feature an easy-to-use 2-button operation. The sealed control panel and rounded design make the scale easy to keep clean and very durable. Available in a selection of colors. 2 AA batteries are included with your scale so you are ready to go right out of the box. And with the low battery indicator, you will never be sidelined with the advanced warning shown on the display. The 2-button controls are easy to operate and ensure quick and efficient use. The scale will turn off after 4 minutes of inactivity to help conserve and extend battery life. The key to achieving healthy weight loss is often expressed as a simple equation: burn more calories than you consume. While that may sound simple, many people struggle to reach their goal weight. If you are only focused on how many calories you burn, then you are missing out on half of the potential of this powerful, yet simple, equation. Let's watch more. Number 2 in our side is Taylor Precision Kitchen Scale. This analog alternative is the way to go if you're looking for a scale that isn't battery operated. It has a traditional scale design and a removable 5-cup stainless steel bowl for simple measuring and cleaning. The dial, which is black and white, completes the retro style and is extremely clear and easy to read. Though it is attractive, this scale will take up counter space and demand additional storage space. Taylor has been making precision products for kitchen measurement for over 150 years, using on the highest quality components for accurate weights. Measure in pounds, ounces, kilogram, or grams up to 11 pounds with 1 ounce and 50 gram increments. The red and black graphics are easy to read on the large 5-inch dial. Polished stainless steel finish looks sophisticated, while the traditional design blends into any kitchen decor. This scale can be recalibrated by using the adjustment knob at the base of the unit. This scale is great for the big and little projects, from portioning foods from the club store purchase or weighing garden yields. Third in our best kitchen scale for baking list is Amazon Basics Kitchen Scale. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on a kitchen scale, this inexpensive model from Amazon is a good option. It may not have all of the aesthetic features of other models, but it will serve as a trustworthy instrument for measuring ingredients. It has a clear, visible LCD screen with clear, visible readings. The large circular platform has a weight limit of 11 pounds, but you can use it to tare bowls and plates. The huge weighing platform is durable and can carry a wide range of products, as well as being very easy to clean. The scale can read both ounces and grams, and the tare function allows you to reset the weight at any time during use. A useful kitchen tool, the digital scale makes it easy to quickly weigh ingredients or food items for meal plans and more. The Amazon Basics scale features a generous weighing platform, which effortlessly accommodates larger bowls or bulkier foods. Featuring an easy-to-read LCD screen and a function that automatically converts units of measurement from ounces to grams or pounds to kilograms. With a compact size that takes up minimal counter space, the scale can be easily tucked away for storage. To clean, wipe down with a damp cloth. Our fourth pick is Weigh Gram Scale. The Weigh Gram 100 grams series pocket scale is a great durable and compact pocket scale for those seeking an on-the-go high-tech portable scale. The pocket scale's backlit LCD display helps make the numbers viewable and easy to read. The intuitive protective cover provides protection for the pocket scale, and the smooth stainless steel weighing surface makes cleanup easy. This pocket scale allows you to weigh a maximum capacity of 100 grams and readabilities of 0.01 grams, to guarantee you an accurate and precise weighing session. The pocket scale, designed with a stainless steel platform and a protective flip cover, this pocket scale is a lightweight and portable for easy transfer. Pocket scale have easy touch buttons, large size digits and stark contrast LCD blue backlit display, makes it easy to read in all light conditions. Last in this list is South Bend Digital Hanging Fishing Scale. If you have a lot of large, unwieldy proteins, such as meat or fish, a hanging scale is a far better way to measure them than trying to fit them on a little platform. Unlike platform scales, which normally have a maximum weight capacity of 11 pounds, this scale has a maximum weight capacity of 110 pounds. Because the object to be weighed must be hung from the hook, this scale is ineffective for measuring common culinary products like sugar and flour. She did, however, reliably measure a 24-pound turkey over the course of 5 trials. The scale was small enough to fit in her pocket. It's small and compact, making it simple to store. The on-off switch was appealing to her, and the automatic shut-off after 1 minute of inactivity conserved battery life. The scale can read in ounces and grams and is powered by 2 AAA batteries. This scale is exceptionally portable and easy to store due to its small weight and compact design.